Anamika Singh. I am from Dr. Biren Sarup Education Center, Farrukhabad. I scored 98.2% marks in my 10th board examinations 2021-22. As per my subject by marks, I scored 100 marks in science, 99 in maths, 97 in SST, 97 in Hindi, 98 in computer applications and 96 in English. I joined Opportunity Educators in 8th class and today I'll be giving some tips to all the students for the preparation of 10th board examinations. For scoring good in 10th class, you must focus on all the subjects wisely. If we talk about individual subject, then first in Hindi, आपको NCERT बुक की अच्छे से रीडिंग करनी है, उसमें दिए गए कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में अच्छे से याद करना है, वर्ड मीनिंग्स को भी पढ़ना है। पद्य खंड में, कविता में प्रत्येक पैराग्राफ का भावार्थ आपको याद करना है और साथ ही कवि का नाम भी याद करना है। हिंदी व्याकरण में आपको नवयुग हिंदी व्याकरण तथा रचना नाम की एक किताब की आप मदद ले सकते हैं। मैंने इसी किताब से पढ़ा था, अगर आप चाहें तो किसी और किताब की भी मदद ले सकते हैं। In English, read the NCERT book thoroughly. Learn about the main characters, the chapter name and the writer of the chapter. And also you can keep a pencil with you while reading so that you can write the meanings of the difficult words if there are any in the chapter. In the poem section, you must know the summary of the poem and the name of the poet. For grammar, हमारे स्कूल टीचर ने हमें सब कुछ करवा दिया था, but if you want you can use evergreen book. In SST, read the NCERT book line by line. Also mark the important points using highlighter or pencil. Don't forget to read the important things given in the boxes and under the picture in between the text. Also observe the picture very carefully, like what they illustrate, what are the main characters being given in the picture, being drawn in the picture. And you can prepare map in history as well in geography because they are very important. And if it would be great that if your teacher provide you notes, but if not, you can prepare your notes by yourself. In maths, prepare and solve each and every question given in NCERT. After solving one chapter from NCERT, go for R.S. Agrawal. You can use any of the book, either R.S. Agrawal or R.D. Sharma. I used R.S. Agrawal. After solving all the chapters, go for PYQs of the board examinations. In science, I prepared using the notes given by our coaching teacher Kamal Bhaiya. Read the NCERT book thoroughly and don't forget to solve each and every questions given in NCERT exercise and also the in-text questions. After solving all the chapters and reading the NCERT book thoroughly, go for PYQs of board examinations. In computers, read the computer application book by Sumita Arora line by line. If you want, you can also take help from YouTube channels like Magnet Brain. They teach very good computer application and they are equally good in SST too. At last, make your aim clear and start working hard from the beginning of the 9th itself because 9th is very important for class 10th. Attend all the classes and the tests sincerely in schools and in coaching institutes. Currently, I am studying in Opportunity Educators for 11th and 12th. If you are in this city, you should join Opportunity Educators. At the end, I would like to say all the best to all of you.